Welcome as we explore the luxury of the Sleep Restoration Queen Gel Pillow set for your bedroom. These hotel-quality pillows use cooling gel fiber to ensure a refreshing night of very deep sleep. The plush materials support every sleeping position while resisting stains and fading over a very long time. You will enjoy the bounce-back construction that perfectly conforms to your own unique head and neck. Each pillow features an elegant 250 thread count cotton sateen cover for truly maximum softness. Keeping them clean is easy since these pillows are machine washable and safe for your home dryer. Elevate your sleep experience with these incredible pillows that bring 5-star comfort to your family home. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.